Hey, what's up, guys? So let's solve needs 950 reveal card in increasing order. So we're given an array deck, and then there's so basically the deck every card is a unique integer on I cards deck I. Then you can order the deck in any order you want, initialize all cards start face down in one deck. And then there's a step that you take top card and then reveal it and take it out of deck. And then if there's a steel card in the deck, then put the next top card on deck on the bottom of the deck. If there's a still on-reading card, go back to step 1. And then you need to return order that deck, return ordering of the deck that will reveal the card in increasing order. So for example, someone give you a deck. The original order is not does not matter. So your results will give this. And then if you follow step right, you first take 2, and you need to move 13 to the left. So you take 3, and then you put 11 to the left, to right, and then you take 5, and then you put 17, and then you put 7, and then so after 7, this is 13, right? So you need to skip the 13, put 13, and then you take 11, and after the 11 you see 17, right? So you put 17 in the back, and you get 13, and then you get 17. So which is increasing. Okay. So the idea for this problem is basically you just do the step by step. Okay, so I just do the simulation. So basically, but you can see you can solve this by hand, right? Let's solve this by hand. So basically, you know that you first suppose this is 3, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. Okay, so the first one must be the smallest, right? So after the first one, that someone will come up with here. So let's forget about it. And then let's take, so then I need to take the second, so the second smallest should put here, right? Because I will pull this card into the final one. So let's skip this. And I take 3, and I should take 5, right? And I should take 7. And after 7 that I come up with here, right? But I will not take it. I will take this guy, right? So I should come up with 11. And after 11, I will pull this guy to the final. So I will take this guy. So that's 13. And then this is 17. Okay, so you can solve this by using your hand. Just do this. Okay, so once you go to the final, that you do the same thing. You take these. So you take out, now you remember this is this, and this, and this, and you put the smallest, second smallest, basically the order is 2. Okay, so there's gap is 2. Okay, so idea is that let's say any lens deck at the index, you collect a DQ, and the answer is that's initial answer to be none times n, right? Because you total have n of length, and you go through sorted. Okay, the first one must be index pop left. Okay, because you start from left and then you put card. And if index is still something, you need to put the least pop left into the final. So basically, this is just the simulation code, right? But basically, I think there you can solve this by using your hand if the text is not so large. But basically, this just follow the rules. I hope you guys see you guys next videos.